Imagine a time long before the dinosaurs. Picture a world where the land was barren and the air was thick with mystery. The oceans, however, were a different story. They were alive, teeming with life, both strange and wonderful. The oceans were teeming with strange and wonderful creatures. These waters were home to a myriad of life forms, each more fascinating than the last. From the smallest invertebrates to the most complex fish, the diversity was astounding. Some were small and peaceful, but others were gigantic and terrifying. The balance of life was delicate, with each creature playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The small ones often became prey, while the larger ones ruled the waters with an iron fin. These were the prehistoric predatory worms, the apex predators of their time. They were the undisputed rulers of the ancient seas, feared by all other marine life. Their presence was a constant reminder of the harsh realities of survival in this ancient world. These were not the worms you might find in your garden. Unlike the harmless earthworms we know today, these ancient predators were formidable hunters. Their size and strength set them apart, making them a force to be reckoned with. These were massive, reaching over 3 feet long. Imagine encountering a worm of such size. It would be an awe-inspiring and terrifying sight. Their sheer size alone was enough to dominate the underwater landscape. They had powerful jaws and sharp teeth, perfect for snatching prey. These jaws were not just for show. They were deadly weapons, capable of tearing through the toughest of hides. Their sharp teeth ensured that once they had a grip, escape was nearly impossible. They were the stuff of nightmares, lurking in the depths, waiting to strike. In the dark, murky waters, they would lie in wait, their bodies perfectly camouflaged against the seabed. When an unsuspecting prey came close, they would strike with lightning speed, ensuring their place as the ultimate predators of their time. These ancient worms belong to a group called polychaete worms. Today, most polychaetes are small and live on the ocean floor, but millions of years ago their giant ancestors ruled the seas. One such terror worm was. This giant was discovered in Canada. Its massive jaws were unlike anything scientists had ever seen. They provided the first glimpse into a world ruled by giant worms. Fossils are our windows into the past. They provide us with invaluable insights into the history of life on Earth, revealing the forms and behaviors of creatures that lived millions of years ago. Each fossil is like a page in a book, telling a story of a time long before humans walked the planet. By studying these remnants, we can piece together the mysteries of ancient ecosystems and the organisms that inhabited them. They tell stories of creatures long gone. From the towering dinosaurs to the tiniest microorganisms, fossils capture a snapshot of life in different eras. These ancient records help us understand how life evolved and adapted to changing environments over millions of years. The landscapes where these fossils are found also tell a story, showing us how the Earth itself has transformed through geological time. For predatory worms, their jaws are the most important fossils. These jaws, often found in sedimentary rock, are crucial for understanding the biology and ecology of these ancient creatures. The fossilized jaws of predatory worms, such as the Websteroprion armstrongi, provide a glimpse into their predatory lifestyle and feeding habits. These formidable jaws were used to capture and consume prey, making them a key feature in the study of these ancient predators. These jaws were made of a hard material that fossilized well. Unlike softer body parts that decay quickly, the hard, durable material of the jaws allowed them to be preserved over millions of years. This exceptional preservation gives scientists a rare opportunity to study the physical characteristics and evolutionary adaptations of these ancient worms. The fossilization process itself is a fascinating journey, where organic material is replaced by minerals, turning once living tissue into stone. By studying these jaws, scientists can learn a lot. Detailed analysis of the size, shape, and structure of the jaws can reveal information about the worm's diet, hunting strategies, and ecological role. Researchers use advanced techniques such as scanning electron microscopy and 3D imaging to examine the minute details of these fossils. This meticulous work helps to reconstruct the life and behavior of these ancient predators, providing a window into their world. The size and shape of the jaws tell us what the worms ate. Larger jaws with robust teeth suggest a diet of hard-shelled prey, while smaller, more delicate jaws indicate a preference for softer organisms. By comparing fossil jaws to those of modern predatory worms, scientists can infer the feeding habits and ecological niches of their ancient counterparts. This comparative approach helps to build a comprehensive picture of the diversity and complexity of ancient marine ecosystems. The teeth reveal how they hunted. Sharp, pointed teeth indicate a predatory lifestyle, designed for piercing and holding on to prey. Some fossil jaws show evidence of wear and damage, suggesting that these worms engaged in fierce battles with their prey or with other predators. The arrangement and morphology of the teeth can also provide clues about the worm's hunting techniques, whether they ambushed their prey or actively pursued it. These fossils are pieces of a puzzle, helping us understand these ancient predators. Each fossil discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle, allowing scientists to reconstruct the appearance, behavior, and environment of these long-extinct creatures. The study of predatory worm fossils not only sheds light on the worms themselves, but also on the broader ecological dynamics of ancient marine ecosystems. Through this ongoing research, we continue to unlock the secrets of the past, revealing the hidden stories of the Earth's ancient inhabitants. Giant predatory worms were ambush predators. They hid in burrows in the seabed, waiting for unsuspecting prey to swim by. When the moment was right, they would strike with lightning speed. Their powerful jaws would snap shut on their victims, dragging them down into the burrow. These worms were the ultimate underwater assassins. Their reign of terror lasted millions of years. While giant predatory worms are gone, their legacy lives on. These ancient creatures, which once roamed the prehistoric seas, have left behind descendants that continue to intrigue and terrify us. Their modern relatives, though not as gigantic, still possess the same predatory instincts and fascinating behaviors that make them formidable hunters in today's oceans. Today, we have the bobbit worm. This remarkable creature, often hidden beneath the ocean floor, is a master of ambush. It waits patiently, buried in the sand, with only its antennae exposed, ready to strike at unsuspecting prey. The bobbit worm's ability to remain concealed until the perfect moment is a testament to its evolutionary prowess. This fearsome creature is a distant relative of the ancient terrors. Its lineage can be traced back millions of years, connecting it to some of the most fearsome predators that ever existed. Despite its smaller size, the bobbit worm has inherited the same ruthless efficiency that made its ancestors so successful. Though smaller than its prehistoric cousins, the bobbit worm is still a formidable predator. It can grow up to 3 meters in length, and its lightning-fast strikes are capable of slicing through its prey with ease. The bobbit worm's hunting technique is both fascinating and terrifying, showcasing the raw power and precision of nature's design. It hides in burrows, just like its ancestors. These burrows provide the perfect vantage point for the bobbit worm to launch its attacks. The worm's ability to dig and maintain these burrows is a crucial aspect of its survival, allowing it to remain hidden from both predators and prey. It uses its powerful jaws to catch fish and other creatures. These jaws are not only strong but also incredibly sharp, capable of cutting through the toughest of exoskeletons. The bobbit worm's jaws are a marvel of evolutionary engineering, designed to maximize its hunting efficiency and ensure its place as one of the ocean's top predators. The bobbit worm reminds us that the ocean is still full of surprises. Despite the passage of millions of years, the legacy of ancient predators lives on in these modern-day hunters. The bobbit worm, with its fascinating behaviors and fearsome hunting techniques, serves as a living link to the distant past, a reminder of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in our oceans. Giant predatory worms played a crucial role in ancient marine ecosystems. As apex predators, they helped control populations of other animals. Their presence ensured a balance in the food web. Their existence also tells us about the incredible diversity of life on Earth. These worms remind us that our planet has a long and fascinating history. Studying them helps us understand how life has evolved over millions of years. Despite the discoveries, many questions remain unanswered. How did these worms grow so large? What was their exact hunting behavior? Why did they disappear? These are just a few of the mysteries surrounding these ancient predators. Scientists are still searching for answers, piecing together the puzzle of their existence. The deep ocean holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Close your eyes and imagine yourself diving in a prehistoric ocean. The water is warm and clear. Suddenly, you see a shape emerge from the sand. It's a giant predatory worm, its jaws open wide. What would you do? These creatures were the stuff of nightmares. but they were also fascinating examples of the power and diversity of life on Earth. The study of giant prehistoric predatory worms is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. It's a journey into the distant past, a time when the oceans were ruled by creatures both beautiful and terrifying. As we continue to explore the depths, we can only imagine what other secrets we might uncover,